So yes, my viewers, this is beautiful when you can plant at home. See? So I don't have to run to the market to get ginger because I have ginger plant right here. Yes, my viewers, you don't know, it's all about sorrel. Christmas is coming, time to boil the sorrel, you know what I mean? Stick and stay for me. Viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, it's all about sorrel. The people, Christmas has come, make we boil up the sorrel now. See, so right about now, I have the pot on the stove, going to go outside to look some ginger. Ginger! Because you don't know you have to put ginger in your sorrel. So I'm going to wash out the sink, throw in the sorrel, pull it to the water, get it washed, to put into the pot. Then I'm going to go outside and I'm going to dig some ginger. Ginger. I can smell the ginger, my viewers. Look here, my people.
Welcome to Jamaica Farmers Hut, exploring the future farmers of Jamaica. It's all about farming.
Yes, my people. Yeah. You get the sorrel inside the sink after washing out the sink. And then you catch water on the sorrel to wash it. Yeah, man. Yeah, my people. So you do it, you know? Yeah. Then you put into the pot. Put into the pot, my people. It's all about sorrel. I like to have my sorrel plenty. You know? Need to get some jugs, you know. Yeah? Yes, my people. If you love the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, alright? Yep. That's it, my viewers. That's it, my viewers. Time to get water into the pot now. Yeah. Because it is about to go on the stove. And as you can see, I have 2 other pot of sorrel on the stove boiling. Yeah. As you can see, my viewers. Yeah, man. Yeah, so getting some water into this one now to put it right here. Alright. So yes, my people, you don't know. It's all about sorrel. Christmas has come. Want something to sip on. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I'm gonna go outside to dig the ginger. I'm gonna cut the ginger and blend the ginger and throw it inside of each pot. Soon as it started to boil up, and then turn off stove, leave it to cool before I can bottle it. Then I'm going to go to the store to get a bottle of vodka. Yeah, vodka is a very, very powerful liquor that you can use in your sorrel. Even the apple vodka. Yeah, very good, my viewers. Alright, so stick and stay. We see what I go on next in our video. Alright, see. Yes, sir, as you can see, I have 3 pots of sorrel here. I don't cover them because I don't want nothing boil over in my stove. Give you it in Jamaican terms, I don't want nothing boil over in my stove. Alright? Yeah, so see there. Turn down the flame on this one, and I turn down the flame on this one. Yeah, because I don't want this heavy flame underneath it. Because it don't have to cook, you know. Just once it start to boil up, that's it. But I'm gonna look the ginger right now. This one, yeah, I light it lately. So I'm gonna look the ginger right now. Yeah, to get it boil inside. But I'm gonna blend the ginger, alright? Stick and stay. You know, me have to back up my thing them because if I back them up, the goat them will come and heat them down. You know what I mean? So yes, my viewers, welcome to my TV back. Yeah? Inside here I have turmeric and I have ginger over here. So I need a piece of ginger to put in my stick and stay. Whoa. Now viewers, I have to get you guys a little nearer to see this one because I'm gonna take out a big root. So I'm gonna give you this one close. Up close and personal, alright? Get everything out of the way. Yeah? What I need. Oh! Whoa, I can smell. I can smell the ginger, my viewers. Look here, my people. Yeah, we have to plant. So I don't have to run to the market this morning. So you see it on Jamaican farmers, alright? Yes. So right about now, I'm gonna clean here. I think this is enough, don't it? You don't think this is enough, my viewers? Come on. Come on, this is enough. I don't know if I cut off these sprout here, if it can plant back, but I'm going to try. Yeah? Alright. So, I'm going to mulch back the root here. Yeah, because ginger is still bearing there. And I'm gonna cover it back. Don't want anything go inside there, go and heat off the rest. So yes, my viewers, this is beautiful when you can plant at home. See? So I don't have to run to the market to get ginger because I have ginger plant right here in my TV back. It's so easy and simple. If you did have a bucket, it will grow same way, anything at all. Once you have soil in it, it will grow, alright? So yes, my viewers and my subscribers, you can plant anywhere. Try to plant something, you know what I mean? So that means when you go to the market, you don't have to buy everything. So I'm gonna clean this up, cut off all these sprouts. Look how tall these sprouts are. Yeah? I'm gonna clean them up, get them ready to put in my sorrel. Altia, big up yourself. Altia Taylor, natural life. Me dig sorrel. I'm gonna leave some for you. I dig ginger. Sometimes I miss out, you know. Me dig ginger, Altia. Yard food, big up yourself. M&G, yeah. The bud files. Yeah, man. Alright. Stick and stay, my people. Don't go away. So yes, my viewers, yeah, and as you can see, so I'm boiling the sorrel. There are more that is coming because I always order my sorrel from everyone that I see with sorrel. I order sorrel from. All right. So some of the boil the sorrel, so sorrel are coming in Jamaican terms. All right. Watch me ginger them now. I'm ginger them this. You know. Yeah, these are my gingers. All right. So I'm gonna get the blender. And I'm gonna blend and throw into my pots. Alright? Stick and stay. Yeah man, it's all about time. Time to blend my ginger. Alright? So you're gonna cut. You're gonna blend the amount that you want inside the 3 pack. Alright? When you blend the ginger, it is very stronger. Yeah. Yeah man. Whoa. These are very strong, man. Very strong. Very strong. And ginger is a preservative for like roots, the sorrel, yeah. If you want the roots, you can put down the roots for 1 month, yeah, for fermentation with ginger. The ginger is gonna cure it, you know what I mean? You don't need a preservative. The ginger is a preservative. If not, you can use pimento seed also in your roots and in your sorrel. Alright, my people. Yeah. Alright. Get the bullet spinning now. Let me try my hand here and get some water to put in my ginger to blend. Alright. Yes, that is good. Yes, still watching because I don't want it to boil over in my stove, you know what I mean? Yeah. Get my thing here up and running. Yes, my viewers, just like that. Yep, just like that, my people. This is my ginger well blend. All right, time to put in my sorrel. Yeah, turn up the flames. So I'm gonna share it even. Doesn't matter, all of them is going the same place. So all of the mixture, the sorrel is gonna be in one bucket. Yeah. So yes, my people, you have to try to use a both spoon in the ginger here. Yeah. And if you have a steel pot, it is good to boil the sorrel in. Steel pot, stainless steel. Yeah. Yes, my people, get all these things washed back. So yeah. As you can see, I'm gonna give you a closer view. Yeah, man. Okay, my viewers, just turn off the stove. Just started to boil up. So once it started to boil up, turn it off, leave it to soak, and leave it until cool. Then you strain and put it in your packer. All right. So if you want to keep it on the outside instead of put it on the fridge, you have to squeeze some ginger and put inside of the bottle. Yeah, put a good amount of it inside of it so that it can cure it, it don't spoil. All right, but if not, you can put it on the fridge until when you're ready to mix. Well, I don't use sugar, so you know I'm not gonna put sugar in my sorrel. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna put in my vodka and whatsoever next I'm gonna put in. Alright? So yes, my viewers and my subscriber, don't forget to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, yeah, to see the next video. Yeah, coming out. Yeah. Yeah, man. So you see it on Jamaican farmers, alright? So soon and very soon this one is going to sink. Also, once it boiled, it's going to sink after. Alright, so I'm going to cover it now Leave it to cool for later on. Some of you are my subscribers. My name is Everslick if you're new here, if you're just joining in. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Alright? So thank you all for watching. Jamaican Farmers Up. Stick and stay.